Hello guys, welcome back to Erama Moses Kitchen. In this video, I want to show you step by step on how you can prepare your pizza toppings. I have a video of my homemade pizza that I did. I did the sauce and I did the toppings as well. So for the love of my viewers, I have decided to do step by step on how I did my toppings and how I did my sauce. So if you watch my channel, you will find how I did my sauce, and in this particular video how I did my pizza topping. So please, I will ask you to watch this video to the end so that you will get a clear understanding or a clear process or step by step on how I did my toppings. So keep watching this video. So guys, if you can see, I have my strips chicken breast that I am frying it till it's dry, and also I have my bacon here that I am going to use for my toppings. So I'll first of all fry the chicken strips, then when I'm done I'm going to do the same to the bacon. That's what I'm using, but I have other toppings that I bought from the shop. With the toppings, you can use any protein of your choice for your pizza topping, but I decided to share this with my viewers so that they will know how I did my pizza toppings for the recipe that I have on my channel, my homemade pizza that I did. So guys, this is what I brought to you in this video. Thank you. I will ask you to watch this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will ask you to do so. And I want to say God bless you to those who have already subscribed to my channel. I love you guys so much for what you people are doing to my channel. You are helping my channel to grow. God bless you, and I love you, and I'll continue to love you guys. God bless you again. See you in my next video. I love you. Keep on watching till the end. Guys, our chicken is ready now, so I'm going to take it off from the fire. Guys, I'm now doing my bacon as well. The bacon, you have to make sure you cut it into strips as well. My bacon is done now, so I'm going to take that one as well. I'm going to take it from the fire as well. Guys, so this is the final stage of our pizza topping. Can you see how my chicken and bacon turn up? So this is how you do it. See you in my next video.